Differences between quartz and quartzite countertops. Dear friends, understanding the difference between quartz and quartzite will help you understand what you want. Quartzite is a natural store formed beneath the Earth's surface. It is a metamorphic rock made from quartz sandstone, whereas quartz is an engineered stone formed by combining 90% ground quartz with 8 to 10% resins, polymers, and pigments. Quartzite is only available in neutral colors like white, black, brown, and beige. Quartz comes in a wide spectrum of shades, including deep pink, violet, and orange, by adding pigments. Quartzite is more scratch and acid resistant than quartz. Quartzite won't get damaged if hot pots or pans are placed directly on it. On the other hand, the resins in quartz will melt and leave a permanent mark if a hot object is placed directly on it. Quartz is less expensive than quartzite because of the complexity of transforming mined quartzite into slabs. Quartzite is a versatile countertop material that works wonder in both kitchens and bathrooms thanks to its durability and resilience. Consider all the pros and cons of quartzite before making a decision. It is perfect for those looking for a sturdy natural stone that mimics marble and matches the earthy tone of their home. However, it's not a good choice for those looking for countertop materials on a budget who want to install it themselves. If you like the video, give it a thumbs up and share it with your friends. For more useful and interesting information, subscribe to Engineer Ajay Lod's channel, How to Make My House.